for joining us. First, can you start by telling us who you are and what you do?
I'm Maya. I work on the V8 team in Google. I just joined pretty recently, and I'm working on the optimizing compiler TurboFan mainly.
Right, and so you're here at NodeConf EU. You gave a joint talk with another Google employee. Can you tell us a little bit about the talk?
Sure. So we gave this talk together with Benedict to tell more about the newer additions to V8 and optimizations that we managed to do with asynchronous features in JavaScript. So we optimized the async functions, and we also worked on the zero-cost async stack traces, which are there to improve the debugability of async code.
Can you tell us a little more about how increasing the debugability helps users out, and what specific technical benefits that brings them?
Sure. So before that feature, the only way to debug any asynchronous code was using Chrome DevTools, which was suitable only for while developing your application. So you couldn't use that in production. And now we have managed to enrich the error.stack property, which is the things that you're seeing in your logs. If you're, for instance, writing a Node.js server, then you can see all of the asynchronous parts of your code inside the logs. So.
And how can Node.js users take advantage of these new features?
Well, it's currently implemented behind the flag in Node.js, and this flag is dependent on another flag which is still under testing if it's web compatible. So hopefully this will land in Node 12.
Well, very cool. And you also mentioned earlier that you have done a lot of performance improvements as well. What are the results of those performance improvements, and what can users expect?
Yes, so these improvements are affecting all of the async functions, and especially the wait statements in them. So this means that they're practically on par with callback functions that were mainly used as of now. And the advantage of using async await over callbacks is that your code is much cleaner, and you can make use of these new features like the zero-cost async stack traces because they only work for native await.
All right, and the last question I have for you is, what has your experience here at NodeConf EU been like so far? And what's been your favorite part?
Oh, okay. So yeah, my overall experience is very nice. The conference is great. It's very nice organized, and yeah, there are interesting talks. I like that there are also these practical workshops in the afternoons. So yeah, I don't know, favorite part. Yeah, I think I really like the talks, and also these the fun activities are very well suited, and it's nice to get to know something about Ireland.
All right, well, thank you so much for joining us, Maya.
Thank you.